Need to go over to Nicole and help out with the weather, okay?
She loves this. She loves when this happens.
Get ready to adjust the camera because you know the height difference is coming. Take a look at what we're seeing as you head out the door this morning. Kids going to the school bus stop don't need to worry about fog. Temperatures in the 60s, lunchtime beautiful 75, and by the time you head home, 77 degrees. Now, outside right now, 65, winds out of the north at about 10 miles per hour. The dew point is 61. Comfortable out there. It's feeling a lot better than it was. 60 right now in Marion, 65 in Indianapolis, 63 in Bloomington. Where's Lafayette? 61. And Columbus? Oh, 68 down to the ground. But blue shouldn't be down for the count because it's much cooler than it was. Humidity is lower. We're 3 to about 9 degrees cooler than just 24 hours ago. That a thumbs up for that? Yes. Okay, I like that. How about where we're going for later today? Beautiful clear skies as we start to go into the afternoon, lots of sunshine. And if I could just come and lay down on the job, I think this would be perfect for me too, you guys. Can we work this out? Come on, blue. 68 degrees by 10 o'clock, 73 by noon. And as we start to go into the afternoon, we'll eventually warm up to 77.
Is he okay?
I don't know. I think he needs a donut stat, some kind of sugar. It's too early in the morning. 77 for your hometown high in Peru and 77 in Greencastle. How about blue at Victory Field? What do you think? Indians tonight going to get the win in the doubleheader? Yes, doubleheader win. Kicks off at 6 o'clock. So temperatures are going to be really nice for that. By 8 o'clock, 71, and by 9 o'clock, 69. Tonight, we're going to drop to about 55 degrees, much cooler, mostly clear skies. And then for your Friday planner, 77 degrees and the A-OK from blue. Operation Football, all those high school kids are going to do great tomorrow night. This weather couldn't be perfect, and you know what? We don't have any kind of rain in the forecast. Perfect for those skylights. Do want to get you updated on the tropical storm right now that's, of course, down just to the southwest of Florida. Blue's blocking it right now. Would be great if he could keep it from hitting Florida. Expected to make that landfall as a hurricane late tonight into tomorrow morning. Wind and flooding rain as much as 15 inches of rain possible. Here's the 7-day forecast. I think we can support this. And then Blue and I have our signature move that's coming up. You remember our signature move, right? Oh, don't be doing the head scratch. It'll come to you. 77 degrees today, tomorrow, and Saturday. And then in that 7-day forecast, we are warming up close to 90. And the signature move is a little bit of the behind bump. You always do. Yep. And Scott, back to you.
That is awesome. All right.